Previously, I made a video tutorial on how to make your own audio affirmations, and clearly it's a very popular topic because there was many of you that left comments and gave me some feedback on that and some of the challenges that you had. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you another way, a faster way, an easier way to make your own audio affirmations if you're not interested in doing all of the steps and using the stuff that I shared in the last video. Hey, this is Paul Wadsworth, and this channel is all about helping you live with greater health, happiness, and freedom. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm actually going to share something with you that's going to make this so much easier to do. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, then I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Now, moving on to this video, step one is probably going to take the longest, and that's to plan your affirmations. You need to understand why you're doing it. What is the purpose? Is there specific areas of your life that you want to focus on? Maybe there's certain times of the day that you're going to use them. Maybe you're looking to use them as incantations when you're going for a run outside or you're working out in the gym. But planning it and knowing what you're going to do is going to be the first step in this process. Now, I've actually made it easier for you because I've created a whole bunch of prompts that you can use to get you started even quicker. You can download that in the link below, completely free. If you do find it useful and valuable and you want to help support this small channel, then I really appreciate it. And I'll leave a link where you can leave a donation, but you don't have to do that. It's entirely up to you and you can still have that for free. Step two in the process is to record your affirmations. So once you've written them out or you've used the prompts that I've provided and you have the ideas of the things that you're trying to achieve, the next step is to record them. And you can literally just pick up your phone, find the recording app on your phone and hit record and start speaking. Of course, you can go more advanced if you want. You can connect a microphone and start. You can go onto your computer, but then we're going more on the advanced version, which I shared in the previous tutorial. And if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link where you can watch that one. Step three in the process, you have a couple of options. And the first one is to upload your file to the computer. So if you've recorded on your phone, you can use something like Google Drive. Maybe you can email it to yourself, Dropbox, etc. Essentially, you just want to send it from your phone to your computer. And honestly, this is the option that I would recommend. The other option is if you have an additional set of speakers where you can play your phone through that, so you can play audio through that, and then you need another device with other speakers where you're going to play the music from. But I recommend using the first option, and I'll show you why in a moment. Now, moving on to step four, and we're going to assume that you used the first option in the previous step, which is recording the audio on your phone and transferring it onto the computer via one of the preferred methods, Dropbox, Google Drive, email, etc. Now, here's the cool part. Once you have the file on there, you now have the freedom to listen to whatever music you want. Now, in the previous video, we talked about making your own MP3. And to do that, you actually needed the legal rights because of copyright laws to find the music of your choice. Well, with this one, we're not actually making an MP3. We're simply listening to the music that we want to listen to through our preferred streaming platform, such as Spotify, YouTube, iTunes. So when you do this, you've actually created your own audio file. You're going to open that. You're then going to open another software where your music is, and you're going to adjust the volumes between the two. So you're actually listening to your voice with the music of your choice. And this is great because you have the variety depending on what mood you're in, depending on how you're feeling or what you're trying to create. You can change the music. You can put it on a loop. You can listen to it for hours at a time if you want to. This is actually something that I do. I do it often in the morning. I'll put it on as I'm journaling in the background. I'll put some nice music on and I've got my affirmations at the same time. And depending on how I'm feeling, if I want to up my energy, I'll change the music. Now, I did share in the other video some options where you can get that free music, but because of course you don't need it to be copyright free in this one, as we've said, but I'll just show you some examples of what you might want to do. So you have like YouTube playlists here where you can look for different genres. Perhaps you'll click on inspirational music. You can try through the different ones on there. Look for the mood you're trying to create. Some are going to be a bit more upbeat and some are going to be quieter. Turn that one down. That's a little loud. Once you've done that, basically use the music that resonates with you. And you also want to make sure that you have a strategy around this. So for example, maybe there's a specific area of your life that you're looking to change. Perhaps it's your money mindset, your beliefs around money. And maybe you want to do a 30-day challenge. And every night when you go to bed, you have this period of time that you set aside specifically to do this. Or maybe it's sometime in the morning. But I try and create some kind of strategy so that these affirmations can actually truly work for you. Now, in a previous video, I did talk more about your subconscious mind and the difference between your conscious and subconscious mind. So if you want to watch that video, it's something that you can check out as well. Now, I did share at the start of the video, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you some software that I've come across that's going to make this way easier for you. If you don't want to do any of this and you actually want some reasonably priced software, in fact, it's pretty cheap to help you do that. I'll show you this on my screen now. So this software is called Mindzoom. I've just come across it. I haven't tried it myself, full disclaimer. I am considering getting it though, although I do like the process myself. This software basically has a whole series of affirmations built in, recording capabilities, and we'll see what the price is in a minute. So if I click start here, I think it's pretty cheap. To get you started, it's going to set you back $19, and it comes with a whole range of things there. Yeah, so I'll leave a link where you can check that out, but this is basically going to help those people who do not really want to spend the time doing all this themselves. You want some software that's designed to do it and help you with subliminals and affirmations and so forth. So there we have it, a super simple way to make your own audio affirmations much quicker, much faster, with a lot more variety. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button and share it with someone else. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.